Hello and welcome to this exclusive podcast series powered by ETH Insights. Today, we are in the beautiful city of Pune, and with us is Mr. Vijay Gandhi, who is the Managing Director of M-Tech Innovations Limited. Mr. Gandhi, welcome to ETH Insights.
Thank you.
All right, so how do you see the current state of MSME manufacturing sector in India from a technological viewpoint?
Within the technological space is undergoing major significant transformation. While challenge persists, the sector is increasing use of digital tool and innovation and emerging major layer positioning itself as a key emerging player in Indian economic growth.
Right. All right. In your experiences, what have been the biggest challenges so far?
Traditional and conventional manufacturing practices are shifting toward digitalization, automation, and integration of Industry 4.0 principles. Government initiatives such as Digital MSME Scheme, BharatNet, trades are playing a key role in promoting technology adoption, especially among small enterprises. We are increasing our focus on cloud applications, digital payments, ERP integration, AI-driven practices. This is our focus area. Major challenges what we are facing in this transformation, I always say getting a good brain is a major challenge for MSME. And second major challenge what we always laugh and say, government had made a lot of restrictions under income tax section 43B. If you are delaying payment after 45 days, it will be disallowed. But unfortunately, no government company has giving focus on this. This is made compulsory to private sector. But for government sector, especially state government sector, we are finding lot of delay. There is no funds and payments are delayed.
All right. So far, what have been the biggest challenges MTech Innovations faces in scaling operations?
Yeah, we have almost a long journey of 34 years, and we started to print visiting card. What we are exchanging from visiting card to we come to smart card, automotive dials, fast tag. So we do continuously upgradation, R&D, innovation. The major challenge what we understood, first one is the capital constraint. And the major challenge, the public sector banks has a very slower process. So getting funds timely is the major challenge we found. Second, getting skilled workforce. We always say we are a training institute. So those people who are not getting job, they will come in MSME, work for 1-2 years, and then they will go further. So major challenge is getting a skilled manpower. And what we say always, the best brain of India, like IITian, they will go to America. Then what will be then first or a higher range? They will go to MNCs or bigger companies. And we always say we are going to get second class or a third class marks people. But we have to focus more on a training, more on a motivation, and we feel we can get good result from them also. But getting a manpower is a major challenge. Then legacy system integration. So like you have come to now GATE, you have seen biometric. Now when we implemented in 2013, we will not keep a normal access to anybody. Everybody has to use fingerprint. Basically, we manufacture here master visa cards, we make fast tags, we make voting ID cards, we make ration cards. So many secured product we are handling. Securities was very important, and identifying each person, frisking him, we thought it is a very faster if we register biometric and allow with biometric. So there is a very less risk, and those are regular member, they can just use their fingerprint, come inside. Only visitor, I think you may face a little challenge. But basically we are dealing so many banks, so many governments. So this system was very interesting. And what we found, convincing our people to you have to use a biometric was very difficult. And it took a great time to convince. So it started from first from us. Okay, we started using it. So slowly that culture developed. Today we are using very few security forces, because you will find 80 access control system inside our premises. So everything is controlled by fingerprints. That is changing new techniques is little challenging. Then fourth important point, we have a problem, like we was trying to export to UK.
Okay.
We started with dealing with customer, but our custom process infrastructure slower. We have many holidays. The major challenge is all religious holidays are there, and our shipment reached to UK after 6 days, and their another partner was from China. They get every consignment third day. China work all 3 shifts, all days except 10 days in a year. So infrastructure we have a constraint, and getting timely raw material or shipment to our customer is a major challenge.
Right. Now, given that policy influences businesses today, how has government policy influenced your business? And would you like to see any further reforms by the government that can support you?
Basically, government policies have played a significant role in shaping the MSME landscape, and some decision from government side to paying a MSME payment timely was a very great reform. Unfortunately, it was not implemented in the government side, and mostly it is a compulsory for a private sector. Otherwise, it is disallowed in income tax. So it is a very good advantage in private sector. Simplified compliance procedure is again a very important requirement. We are majorly struggling on a timely clearance of payment. One important challenge we are facing is we keep on expanding. Government has a very good schemes like subsidy for electronics industry. Subsidy for electronic industry. Now I have invested in 2018, 2017. Still state government is going to pay me. So major challenge from state government is not paying timely.
Now, sir, what I would love to know from you is, how is your company leveraging technology to stay competitive, given that we live in a space where there's a lot of competition in the electrical components market?
Yeah, basically we are around electronics. Our start was to print visiting card. So that was time 1984 where visiting card we started marketing. Then TV was coming in India. So we identified that a lot of labels are coming from Japan, which are plastic. So plastic was a new material. So we studied plastic, and we started plastic label manufacturing from visiting card. From plastic label, we identified that we was the first to use plastic. So we always believe on innovation, because innovation give you advantage, and we was the first. We got a very good growth, and in small time, in 2 years we grown up almost 10 times.
Wow.
So basically, we understood importance of seller market, buyer market, and we always believe on new things. So from plastic label, around 95 we shifted towards household appliances product. From that we shifted to automotive. So we shifted to dials manufacturing. From that we come to when mobile industry start, we come in prepaid card manufacturing. So this plant is dedicated for prepaid cards. So from prepaid card, if you can remember, in 1998 when mobile started, we was using scratch card.
That's right.
And we was the first to manufacture scratch card. I was trying to sell scratch card in India for almost 1 year, and nobody was believing that this can be manufactured in India. But thanks to Idea and Airtel, when shortage is there, they have given opportunity to me. And from scratch card, we understood in 3-4 years that internet is coming in big way and scratch card will not require. So we shifted toward banking cards. From banking cards, now banking cards shifting toward mobiles. So we made again innovation and we introduced FASTag. So India's first FASTag, first PAN card, plus plastic label, first speaker grill we manufacture. Then in 1919, when we heard the news of stampede in Vaishnav Devi and almost 19 people was expired. So that time we started thinking opportunity how to avoid stampede. So first India's RFID based solution to avoid stampede we have given to Vaishnav Devi, and we are running 365 days, 24 hours, and we give live update in 28 kilometer how many people are there. So our focus is always on innovation. So we are more focusing on R&D. Almost 30-35 people team we are maintaining just on innovation, just on a new product development, focusing on improvement, and we are very much focused on that.
At MTech Innovations, how do you approach sustainability and quality? Because we know that you have cost pressures to balance.
Yeah, very good point. Without quality, you cannot sustain. Sustainability we talk on two ways: using the environment friendly practices, and another is reliability of your product. So basically, in 1996, we was the first to get ISO certification for printing products. So we have a certification of right now ISO 9000, ISO 27000, ISO 14000, Visa, Master, Rupee, and our focus is always on a continuous improvement, always on a upgradation of our facility, and we use a lot of environment friendly practices. In this building we made first in 2005, whatever water we use in process, we made a ETP plant and reusing that water to our washroom system for a flush use. So same water we use twice. So we have focused more on environment friendly practices. If you see in our building, almost 30% energy we are using solar. We was the first to start windmill in 1998 in Satara. So our focus always on a sustainability. Our focus will always doing continuous improvement, and very much focus on a new product development.
Right. Now, sir, what is your strategic vision for this company, say in the next 5 to 10 years?
We are focusing on upgradation, mostly use of cards day by day reducing. So we are shortly we are starting semiconductor packaging. So in next 2 months we are starting first line to make semiconductor assembly and make RFID. So our next 5-year vision is focus more on semiconductor products. Second area, as I talked with you, crowd management. India has a great potential. Crowd is so high in India, in everywhere. Collecting 50,000, 100,000 people is a very small thing in India. So we are focusing more on developing new products which can offer security, traceability. In Vaishno Devi, we have given an application. So we get every day almost 500 calls to know the position of person. When family is going 14 kilometer, always there was somebody is lost, children are not there, and our system is tracking them and giving their position. We track each person traveling 14 kilometer. Every 2 kilometer, we have our system capture the data from card automatically without any process and sending to server, and with the help of that we trace the person. We do lot of RFID applications, like in Reserve Bank of India we are tracking their assets. So our next 5-year plan more focus on tracking, traceability, RFID use on IT application. Basically we have 3 divisions. One division focus on cards, one division focus on automotive. In automotive we are manufacturing right now analogical product, but now most of products are coming digital. So our next focus for company is to go for optical products which are trend coming in use in automotive. So we have 3 divisions. Cards, we are going more on high tech. We are introducing biometric card. So no need to use PIN. You can use a fingerprint to do operation for cards. So nobody, if your card is lost, nothing can happen. So our product, we are expecting next 6 months we will launch biometric card. We are introducing down the line 1 year dynamic CVV card. So in card CVV is used, and mostly that is a more critical information. So we are introducing dynamic CVV. So if your card is lost, no transaction can done. Other than that, we are focusing on optical digital product development for automotive. So these 3 areas we have planned. We will focus next 5 years. We may go for public, and we will focus more on further upgradation.
Right. Mr. Gandhi, this has been super insightful. Thank you so much for taking our time.
Thank you. Thank you.